My name is Jenna Lee. I'm a descendant of the Larrakia, Kurrajari and Waterman people from Northern Territory, and I'm an artist. I'm at the Museum of Brisbane installing my intervention in a salon hang called Growing Place, which is thousands of paper flowers growing from the gallery walls. So for the past few weeks or months, I should say, I went through a process of cutting wire, making and cutting paper flowers, gluing them all together and then installing them here in the Museum of Brisbane by hand drilling thousands of holes and planting the flowers into the walls. So my intervention called Growing Place references a few things. Firstly, around how First Nations language can be revitalised and be used again, similarly to how nature can revive under the right conditions. And the title actually is reflective of the fact that Brisbane is where I grew up and spent most of my life.